So, HRP's engineering team needs to do a bridge inspection. How do we see that when the bridge is over water and we can't really get under there to take a look? The ask was, can the drone get under there? But as you can see, the camera really only looks down. So, what we did was grab this guy, GoPro, with an attachment that lets us mount the camera to the top of the drone. And we're gonna take a look now to see if it will fly, if I can fly it, and how effective it's gonna be. Let's take a look. Okay, it looked good from here. Let's see how it looks on film.